Guys, welcome to my custom tab bar with center button SwiftUI tutorial for iOS 16 Plus. You can see here the actual application in the simulator. We have a home view tab. We also have a profile view tab and a center button. You can immediately download the code in my GitHub. Link is on the description below. So as you can see here, it's very simple. I just created a simple home view, simple profile view, and then the custom tab bar view here. We have three tabs. This string is actually a system image. As you can see here where it is used. So image, system name, the name of the image. You can also see here there is an empty string. It is actually used as to make a spacer on the center of the custom tab bar, as you can see here, so that it will look nice on the screen. And we also have a private state variable selected tab. This is used to set the color of the tab icon. As you can see the code here. Next one is we have the var selected index. So it's used to know which index is selected by the custom tab bar view. As you can see here in the main view, this is the part where it is used. So it's actually simple to create a custom tab bar view. We just use a tab view and there is a private state variable selected tab. This one indicates which tab is selected. So we have here home tab and we have profile tab. You can also add additional views here or additional tabs. So you can see that we have index 0 for the home tab and index 2 for the profile tab. Because on the custom tab bar view, we have the index 1 for the center button. You can actually put it like this to use the center button action. There. So this is for the center button. And on the main view, you can add a case for the first index, which is the center button. So you can do your action here for the center button or the plus button. Don't forget to put the main view on your content view, because content view is used on the main code of the application. For the part 2 of this video, we will learn how to navigate using coordinator. So for example, in home view, we have a product detail view. So how can we navigate to that inner view using coordinator? If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe so that I have the motivation to make more videos. Thank you. See you on part 2 of this video.